How to change the terminal path on VS Code. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your default terminal path on VS Code. So let's just jump right in. First thing you need to do is open up Visual Studio Code on your PC. Once you have it open, on the top you can find the terminal section right here. So you need to check which path you currently have. So I'll just click on Terminal and then click on New Terminal. Once you do that, it will show you your new terminal and it's going to show you your default path. Now, let's say if you want to change it, you need to find the file section at the top left corner. Then go ahead and find Preferences. From there, you can open up Settings. Additionally, what you can do is directly open Settings from the left-hand side of your navigation screen and then click on it to open up your settings. Now, once you open up your settings from here, all you have to do is search for this following command. So go ahead and search for terminal.integrated.cwd. You can find something like this. And as you can see here, what happens is an explicit start path where the terminal will be launched. You need to go ahead and select your path over here. So let's say if I want it to be on my D drive, I can just do D and then type in the path. So it's going to be backspace. You can write your path over here. So I'll do something like code playground. So let me quickly show you guys my folder. You can go ahead and open up your folder. So let's say if I just head over to this folder for Python, I can just click on the path at the top, copy this, and then go back here on my VS Code. And then I can directly paste this path over here. Now just go ahead and hit enter and it will be saved automatically. Now if you want, you can also back up and sync settings. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and close this terminal, tap on the three dots and then tap on close all. Once that is done, you need to close the terminal as well. Now go over to terminal again, tap on new terminal, and this time your path should now be changed. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.